Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the original Red Dead Redemption game on your PC. So let's get started right away. If you have been waiting to play this game on your PC for a long time, then I'm here to tell you that now you don't need any emulators to play this game on your PC because Rockstar has already released the PC version for Red Dead Redemption 1. In order to install it, simply open up your Steam application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, click on the search box at the top right corner. And now just type in Red Dead Redemption. Once you find the Red Dead Redemption 1 game, go ahead and click on it. And you will now be taken into the game's page. You can check out the trailer as well as the various different reviews of the game. Once you're ready to install, just scroll down and you will see the various different versions of the game that you can buy. Just click on the Add to Cart button for the edition you wish to purchase. And you can now click on View My Cart to finalize your payment. Now from your cart page, click on Continue to Payment, and you may now choose your payment method. After selecting from the ones that are available, click on Continue, and now you will simply be required to enter your credentials to finalize your payment. If you have chosen PayPal for instance, just click on the PayPal button, and then log into your PayPal account using your credentials. After you have logged in and finalized your payment, the game will now be added to your library, from which you can begin the download and installation with a single click. And now you will also find the game on your desktop, from which you can launch it and start playing right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Red Dead Redemption original game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.